discuss about logarithmic differentiation and differentiation of one function with respect to another function. We will use logarithmic differentiation where the function is in the form of y equal to u to the power v, where u and v are both functions of x, or where the function y is of the form f1x into f2x into f3x into ... into fnx. First, we will discuss about this kind of function y equal to u to the power v. So here I have taken two examples. First one is u equal to x to the power sin x, and second one is v equal to 1 plus x whole to the power x. Now how to find the derivative of this kind of functions? To find the derivative of this kind of functions, we have to use logarithmic differentiation, because the function is not of the form x to the power n, because here n is a constant term, but here n is not a constant term. This is a variable. So we can't use this kind of formula x to the power n, we can't use. So here we have to take logarithm in both sides. So taking logarithm in both sides, we will get here log u equal to log of x to the power sin x, which is equal to sin x into log x. Now we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what we will get? We will get 1 by u du dx equal to here u into v, so sin x fixed, derivative of log x is 1 by x, plus log x fixed, derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore du dx equal to, this u will go there, so u into sin x by x plus log x into cos x, and the value of u is equal to x to the power sin x. So here we are getting x to the power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x into log x. Now I am coming to the second problem. Here v equal to 1 plus x whole to the power x. So again, if we differentiate, before differentiating we have to take logarithm in both sides. So we are getting log v equal to x log 1 plus x. Therefore 1 by v into dv dx equal to, keeping x fixed, derivative of this is 1 by 1 plus x, plus keeping log of 1 plus x fixed, derivative of x is 1. So here we are getting dv dx equal to v into this, and the value of v is 1 plus x whole to the power x. So 1 plus x whole to the power x into this whole thing, that is x by 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x. So this is the derivative of v. Now problem number 3 is y equal to x to the power sin x plus 1 plus x whole to the power x. Now how to find this derivative? If we take logarithm in both sides, since there is a plus sign, we can't separate these two parts. So what we will do here, we will assume this as u plus v, where u equal to x to the power sin x and v equal to 1 plus x whole to the power x. So separately we will find the derivative of u and derivative of v, and then we will write dy dx dx plus dv dx. Now how to find the derivative of u and v we have already done in the last two problems. This is problem number 1 and problem number 2 is this one. So from there we will get the result of du dx and dv dx and we will substitute the value here. So in problem number 1 we derive du dx equal to x to the power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x log x, and in problem number 2 we derive dv dx equal to 1 plus x whole to the power x into x by 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x. So what is dy dx here? Dy dx equal to du dx plus dv dx. Du dx is this one. So x to the power sin x into sin x by x plus cos x log x plus dv dx, that is plus 1 plus x whole to the power x into x by 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x. Now to find the derivative of y equal to sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x, where y is the product of three different functions of x. What we will do? We will take logarithm in both sides. Then we will get log y equal to log of sin x, sin 2x, sin 3 equal to log of sin x plus log of sin 2x plus log of sin 3x. Therefore, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 1 by y dy dx equal to 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus 1 by sin 2x into derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into derivative of 2x is 2 plus 1 by sin 3x into cos 3x into 3. So we are getting here cot x plus 2 cot 2x plus 3 cot 3x. Therefore, dy dx equal to y into this whole thing, and value of y is this one. So sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x into cot x plus 2 cot 2x plus 3 cot 3x. Now we will find the derivative of one function with respect to another function. Suppose you have to find the derivative of sin x with respect to cos x. Then what we will do? We will assume sin x as u and cos x as v. Separately, we will find du dx and dv dx. Du dx equal to cos x and dv dx equal to minus sin x. Therefore, du dv, because you have to find the derivative of sin x with respect to cos x, that is derivative of u with respect to v. Therefore, du dv equal to du dx by dv dx equal to cos x by minus sin x equal to minus cot x. Now, I'll give one more example. Find the derivative of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square with respect to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So here we will assume u equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square and v equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. So we know that the formula of cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. And here also sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is also equal to 2 tan inverse x. So you can write u equal to v because this is 2 tan inverse x and this is also 2 tan inverse x. So u equal to v. Now you have to find the derivative of u with respect to v. Therefore du dv equal to 1. There is one homework for you. Find the derivative of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. You will do it by your own and you will write the answer in the comment box below.